Todo mundo vai perceber que eu sou o Cat Noir verdadeiro.
Relaxa, o povo é cego.
Well, brilliant. That's control. What's the difference with what I was saying?
No way, it's too risky.
That's the problem with you. You never want to take any risks.
Of course I do. I take risks all the time.
Oh yeah? Would you risk knowing who I really am behind my mask? Problem.